What's up everyone? Hello, welcome back to my channel. Happy new year. For today's video, this was actually really unorganized and unplanned, but I wanted to film something for you guys. So I was just like, you know what, why don't I just do a sit down, chatty, get ready slash trying out some new items, like makeup items slash life updates slash 2017 recap video. So for today's video, that's what we're gonna be doing. So if you guys would like to get ready with me, grab some popcorn or snacks or like Jollibee or something. I don't know what you guys eat, but yeah, go grab them. This is gonna be a long one and we're gonna be like getting ready, like how, you know, girls get ready when they get ready. As always, if you're not part of the mermaid squad or the mermaid family, you should go ahead and click subscribe down below. Also, if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, anyways, let's go and get started. I guess to start off the video, I just want to say Happy New Year. Like, can everyone believe it's 2018? Because I honestly, like, I'm just like, I don't even know how to explain it. Like, I feel like my body is still in 2017, but like we're in 2018. Yeah, so I don't know, 2017 was a crazy year. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard me talk about 2017 like being crazy, unexpected, but it really just was like a crazy freaking year. Like, it is definitely one for the books though. For this video, we're going to be trying out some new items, not all of them. Moisturize my face with the Clinique Dramatically Different moisturizing gel. I love this one. This is my favorite moisturizer. I know my mom's probably like, that's not how you put a moisturizer, you just put it on. I don't know guys, like when I put moisturizer, I put it in my hand, I like, you know, blend it and then just, you know, apply it on my face. That's just how it works on me. Honestly, do you boo? Comment of the day, how is your 2017, you guys? Like, I am genuinely curious. Like, was it a good year, a bad year, in between, both? Like, let me know down below. It could be like a conversation starter that we have going on in the comments bar. Like, just comment down, did you have a good year? What happened in 2017? What was the highlight of your 2017? I definitely have a lot of highlights in 2017. Some of the things that happened in 2017, like to this day, I'm still like, what? Like, how did that play out so well? Or like, how did that happen? Like, what is Faith trying to say? Just a lot of things that like made me think about life in general. Also, 2017 was the year where I started working more with companies, and I'm very grateful for that. Starting off with Essence Stylist. Back in January of last year, this is when they have asked me to be a part of their Essence Stylist. It's kind of the same thing as a brand ambassador. That was a lovely experience. It definitely like created a pavement for the other collabs that I had with companies, like with Catrice Cosmetics. So I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Brow Pencil. This is in the shade number 3. So what are your guys' plans for 2018? Also, 2017 was the year where I traveled the most. Like, I think I traveled 3 or 4 times out of the year. Like last year, I went to Hawaii during the summertime. I also went to New York in the fall time for Generation Beauty. Then we traveled like here and there to like Big Bear. I also went to San Francisco. That was a fun experience. I feel like after Hawaii, I was just like, okay, I just want to travel all the time now. One of my New Year's resolution this year is to like travel to one of my like travel bucket lists, and one of them is Bali, to go back to Hawaii. There's definitely a lot more, but like I really want to like hit up one of those places this year, whether it be traveling with my family or with my friends. So friends, if y'all want to travel, hit me up so we can like plan, because I'll be 22 by then. I feel like your 20s is like a great time to travel because you're not like settled down yet, as far as like you don't have like a serious, I mean, if you have a serious job, like that's good for you, girl. Like, good for you, you're on the right track. But I feel like most people who are in their like 20s have not settled down yet, as far as like having a family, having a husband, moving, blah blah blah. So I feel like this is like the time to travel. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. I'm using the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. This is a sample size I got in my Sephora package. For the brush that I use the Morphe M439 brush. I feel like you also get like full coverage if you use a brush. I like wearing makeup, but I hate wearing makeup. For concealer, I still use the same concealer. And this is my Ride or Die. It is $5 and I'm not gonna betray this baby right here. Oh, I have to show you guys my favorite song right now. Oh, I just got new speakers. Okay, so my current favorite song right now is Stargazing by Kygo. Oh my god, this song is just the bomb diggity. I listen to it every time I shower and I feel like I'm flying. It's so good.
We've been meeting and I will still be here. Stargazing, I still look up for love. I will still be here. Stargazing, I still look up, look up. Still don't wanna say but decide, and I will still be here, stargazing.
For powder, I'm so excited because we're going to be using or trying out the Patrickstarrr and MAC Cosmetics translucent powder. This is called Patrick's powder and I've never tried this one and I'm so excited. I ordered a bunch of his collections from MAC Cosmetics and I really love the shades so far. So we're going to be trying this one out. It just comes in this like little tub. It's like in this pink peachy salmon color. And I'm going to take this brush right here. This is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is a blush brush, but this one fits perfectly under my eyes. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a little bit and then tap it. Tap, tap, tap. Yeah. So I have oily skin. I read the reviews for this one and a lot of people really like it, so I'm excited. I don't like bake really. Like I just literally leave it on for 3 seconds. What's your favorite makeup routine? Like, do you like doing your brows, your lips? I have a lot of new palettes that I like got for the holiday season. I have the Patrickstarrr and MAC Cosmetics collaboration right here. This is the Patrickstarrr Glam AF palette, and I also have the ColourPop I Think I Love You palette, and these are all shimmer shades, I believe, and like a couple like matte ones. And then I have the Carly Bybel BH Cosmetics palette, which all of these are warm tones. All of them are really nice. I don't know which one to use. I'll use both of these. So for the transition color, I'm just gonna go in with this color right here from the Glam AF from Patrickstarr's collaboration with MAC Cosmetics, and I'm gonna take this fluffy brush from e.l.f. and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. I don't use primers on my eye. I know it's kind of bad, but I really just don't. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. My number 1 New Year's resolution this year is to take risks and just do it. Now, when I say take risks and just like do it, I'm not saying like be reckless and do like stupid shit, but stop overthinking of like what could possibly go wrong, because honestly, that was me 2017. Like I definitely missed out on a lot of opportunities because I was thinking like, no, like I feel like this person wouldn't like if I do that, or like I feel like I valued people's opinions of me so much last year that it definitely has set me back from doing things that I really wanted to do. But all I'm saying is that for 2018, I'm gonna stop worrying about people's opinions of me, because honestly, that was like my biggest setback in 2017. Number 2, this kind of like goes hand in hand with my first New Year's resolution, and that is to stop overestimating of what could possibly go wrong in any situation, because honestly I stress out like all the freaking time, like 24/7. My friend can vouch. I'm always like, okay, like I'm stressed about this, I'm stressed about that. And just to sum it up, his advice, he basically just said to stop trying to control the things that you can't control and just let them be, and then for the things that you can control is to just make the best out of them. And honestly, it was a really great advice and I will never forget it. So yeah, my second New Year's resolution for 2018 is to stop overestimating of what could possibly go wrong in any situation. Pause the New Year's resolution talk. We're going on to the ColourPop I Think I Love You palette, and I'm gonna take this color right here. It is like this rose gold color, and just applying that all over the lid. Let's resume the New Year's talk. Third one of my New Year's resolution is to save up and buy a car this year. I have a feeling I'm gonna like invest on a car this year because I feel like the older I get, the harder it is to just like manage my schedule and like pair it up with my parents' schedule. So I definitely need a car, especially because like YouTube stuff and also like school and like work, and like I can't work at the times that I want to work because like it doesn't work out, if that makes sense. So I really need a car this year. The fourth one I have is to travel. I really want to travel. I feel like going to Hawaii last year kind of just like forced me, or like it has motivated me to save up and travel more, and this year I really want to travel, whether it be with my family or friends. And I think we're going home to the Philippines next summer. I mean, hopefully, because I have not seen my cousins and like family over there for like 11 years since we moved out here in the US. For the fifth one, this is kind of basic and for everyone I guess, is to go back to the gym. I honestly, after Hawaii, I kind of like just stopped going to the gym. Not like completely stopped, but like I didn't really go as often as before I went to Hawaii, which I can understand because Hawaii was like my motivation and I wanted to look nice for Hawaii. So this year I'm gonna try to go back into working out. And then we're gonna go ahead and bronze the face. Today I'm gonna be using the Tarte Cosmetics Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. This is again another sample size that I got from Sephora. It looks so good. I would want to go to the sponsor. This has been out for like a very long time now, but I recently just discovered it, like legit. Like I did not know this song existed until this month. It's called Love by Kendrick Lamar. Oh my god, this song puts me in a freaky mood.
Damn. Love and lust. Damn. I wanna be with you. 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 I got something.
For blush, I'm using the Tarte Cosmetics Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. This is in the shade Party.
Living lovely. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
For highlight, I'm using the OFRA Cosmetics Everglow, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here. I'm gonna be using my all-time favorite lip liner. This is Spice by Rimmel London, and I'm just lining my lips. I'm going to be taking the Patrickstarrr and MAC Cosmetics collaboration in the shade Mamastarrr, and this is a lip gloss. I'm going to go ahead and set my brows using the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel, and this is again in the shade number 3. Okay guys, so this is the outcome of my little Chatty get ready. It's very similar to like what I basically wear when I do makeup tutorials. I just really like my makeup to be like as natural looking. Like it's not natural obviously because I'm wearing makeup, but I like anything neutral on me. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like that little Chatty get ready with me slash my music favorites slash my New Year's resolution slash catching up slash life update. If you like these videos, let me know down below. I would love to do more for you guys. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great New Year so far, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!